Hey guys, so in this video I just wanted to talk to you about making money as a Clickfunnels affiliate. So I'm actually closing in a little ways away from getting 5K as a Clickfunnels affiliate, $5,000. And honestly, it's been pretty easy in some regards. If you're just starting out, Clickfunnels, pretty much any, like Clickfunnels itself, but anything in their like suite of products that you can promote as an affiliate. Here's the thing, even if you're bad at it, if you totally suck at it, it'll probably still work for you, right? And this is what I mean. Like when I first started promoting ClickFunnels and their products, all I had was a simple landing page that offered them this free training. And I was going to show them like, how to build a sales funnel. Essentially, it wasn't really very fancy, not much fancier than that. So, I told them, okay, opt in. You get this free video training on the next page. I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel, right? I don't think I really mentioned ClickFunnels too much. And then maybe I did. It's been a while. And then on the next page, it was just like a live funnel build out that I had recorded. And it was like 35 minutes, I think it was. So I took them through I think it was a pretty simple sales funnel during the training. And then beneath the video, I had a button and it was like, try ClickFunnels free for 14 days. And I got a bunch of signups for that, right? Just like they would go and try it out and not many of them kind of stuck, but still like people would go and I would get, they would go for like, maybe like 2 or 3 months. So I would make some money off of it. And then, but it was really like encouraging because the way they have their back end system set up, it's like extremely addictive because you see an orange bar on the screen if you made money that day. If you didn't make money, no orange bar, right? So when you see it and you get like a couple of days, you get like lots of orange bars. It's very rewarding, motivating, all that kind of stuff, right? So that was the first bit of promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate. And then then after that, I took the One Funnel Away Challenge, and that was where I learned how to create offers and how to create value and really promote affiliate products, right? So then I was like, okay, well, ClickFunnels is cool. It's a recurring service, so you can make money each month if you have people that you've referred to ClickFunnels essentially underneath you, or they've gone through your affiliate link to try out ClickFunnels. But then there's also, they have funnel scripts, right? So that's a way bigger price point. But it was what I learned during the One Funnel Away Challenge that I applied to creating offers and promoting this other ClickFunnels affiliate product, funnel scripts. And that's when I started to make some serious, it was like $1,300 in 30 days, just applying and using those principles there. So it was super awesome. I'm just gonna do an adjustment to my thing. You guys are gonna laugh so hard when you see what's going on here. There we go. So yeah, it was the One Funnel Away Challenge that really showed me as far as how to become a better affiliate marketer, make more money with ClickFunnels, which is why I'm closing in on 5K rapido. So I will be updating definitely once I cross that mark. It's at, I think, like 4,500 right now. But the cool thing is like, that's just like, almost like passive income, because it's just from like organic traffic, and it's just people who've kind of like saw my stuff online and then go over and see as far as the affiliate offer. I'm like, here's what you get with funnel scripts, and then here's what you get as bonuses from me. Right? And they're kind of like, and I've literally asked people, and I've been like, hey, why did you buy this, through my affiliate link? And they're like, well, I was going to get that product. I knew I was going to spend that money. So why not get all these awesome bonuses that you offered? And I was like, yes. So that's it. That is why it is so awesome to be a ClickFunnels affiliate, and why it is so easy. Like seriously, you don't have to be that good at it. And once they kind of like once you introduce them to the ClickFunnels world as an affiliate, then they're going to be kind of like, remembered as being referred by you for, I think it's like 30 days. And they get hit with a lot of stuff inside of 30 days. And Russell and his team, they're so good at selling ClickFunnels. Like if these people are all interested in it and they get pointed towards ClickFunnels, it's kind of a done deal. So yeah, that is why you want to promote ClickFunnels. Even if you're like, I'm not really an affiliate marketer, you should go for it. You should try. It's super easy. And I will make more videos talking about that. And I'll see you in the next video.